this short video, you will see how art is just like a river that connects people of all different ages and all different cultural backgrounds. And I love that when children are so focused like adults, and adults can be instantly silly or childish. Under the light and the shadows of the river dragon, you will see in the later part of this video. This is a template that I made so that when I'm not there, people or children, adults can still participate and make work collectively.